Hi there, if we haven't met, my name is Kristina Centnere and I'm the founder of sᴄᴇᴅᴜ, which is a social marketing agency out in New York, as well as the beautiful Miami, which I get the fortune of spending time in right now. And today I wanted to chat with you real quick about what is brand awareness. It's many of you, if you are doing marketing, know it as an objective that Facebook ads offers, right? And if you're a business owner, you may not know what it is at all, or it may just seem something that big companies use. So if you haven't seen my video yet, I'm going to give you a little bit of an example of the difference between brand awareness and brand recognition. So I want to really define brand awareness for you first, and then we will go into how a small, medium business can use brand awareness to start getting clients and what you need to look out for. So make sure you stay through the whole thing, because if you only hear half the message, you might just mess up. So first of all, what is brand awareness? What is brand recognition? Let's get those two differentiated. I'm going to use the same example I used last time. Yes, I'm addicted to these, addicted. So when you look at this logo, what do you see? If you said Starbucks, then you are absolutely correct. That means that Starbucks has achieved brand recognition with you. Brand recognition means that you recognized that part of their branding, which is their logo. It's a big part of your branding, right? Now, if you looked at it, said Starbucks, but in your mind you were thinking of that last Frappuccino you had, or an ad that they put out, or the last experience you had at Starbucks, or that nice barista that always remembers your order, that means that you have brand awareness, right? So you are aware of what the brand offers, not just what their logo looks like, not just recognition, right? And that's very important. Think about it yourself as a business owner. Would you rather have somebody just know what your logo is all about, or have a recall of an ad that you ran, or a recall of an experience that they have, hopefully a positive one? It's much better when somebody remembers something from experience, right? Because it's our senses, it's the sight, the smell, the taste, the hearing. That's what creates that experience, and it keeps us going back. When I ordered this, I remember how nice the barista or the cashier and the barista who made this for me was. I remember that when I walked in there, I felt really cozy, even though it was 6 o'clock in the morning. I was like, oh, I feel nice and warm about it, right? And that's what keeps me coming back to Starbucks day after day after day after day, right? So as a small business, how can you use brand awareness? How can you create that? Now, we were just talking about experience. That's where it really starts. You have to create an experience, whether it's an advertisement like a direct mail that you send out, or a Facebook advertisement, or when the person actually comes in. And I really should say and, not or, okay? When the person comes in, what type of experience are you giving them? Remember, people have a lot of options right now. And if you're a brick and mortar business, which is what sᴄᴇᴅᴜ focuses on, helping brick and mortar businesses, remember, they can buy what you're selling probably on Amazon. It might not be the exact same thing. I'm not questioning quality here, but they have other options, chances are. So what is going to make you different, and why retail, brick and mortar, is actually on the up and up, is because people can't have that retail therapy experience on Amazon. You just can't. Okay, you want to go shopping, you want to be around people, you want to try things on, you want to touch, feel, see, smell, taste, whatever it is, right? So that's the experience that you want to create for people. It's so important, because one bad experience and one bad review, and lots of people, depending how many people that person knows, will no longer have that. And the brand awareness that you're creating then is a bad one. So we want to make sure that your brand awareness is great. So concentrate on the core of the experience for that customer. Remember, that experience needs to be everywhere, not just inside your store, but on the ad that they see. Is the ad thoughtful? Does it look like it was actually put together by a professional, or does it look like it's from, when the computers first came out and it was created on PowerPoint, right? we want to make sure that that experience, whatever that story that you want to tell, is consistent across everything. Now, actively, there are a few ways that you can create brand awareness through active marketing in addition to creating that in-store experience. One of those things is Facebook brand awareness, right? They do that quite well. Brand awareness objective allows for people who are most interested in your advertisement to be shown that advertisement, okay? And then it measures it in ad recall lift. Now, an ad recall lift is something that was also used in Nielsen. Nielsen is what measures television as well, on how well people will remember the ad once they've seen it, or how many people will remember it as well, right? So it's very, very important that whatever it is that you're putting out is memorable to them, right? And targeted really well, because if you are targeting vegan cupcakes to steak eaters, it probably will not work out very well. So you want to make sure that you concentrate on that. Another way is to plaster advertisements everywhere. If you have the budget, put it on a billboard or send out direct mail. And even better, create a guerrilla marketing, meaning something that has a Facebook ad, direct mail, and it's all about the same consistent topic, creating a consistent experience, consistent creative, consistent is the key to creating that brand awareness and retaining it. So hopefully that helps you better understand what brand awareness is. If you're looking to create brand awareness for your business, make sure that you contact us at sᴄᴇᴅᴜ on our Instagram. You can contact me directly as well, or visit us on socialcalmedia.com, and I'm excited to chat with you. Thank you.